This is Wilson from Places and Foods, and today let's talk about Kobe. I visited Kobe a few times and I often do a day trip to this beautiful port city. Trust me, you need to stay at Kobe itself to uncover the beauty of this place on top of their popular beef. Let me share my experience staying at Kobe West Plaza Hotel, but first, the journey from Kansai International Airport to Kobe via ferry. So this is a high-speed boat for Kobe, and they have a discount for foreigners, and then they will actually give you the ticket. You will reach the Kobe airport and then you need to take the monorail to the city. It is hard to believe that Kobe airport is just next to the Kansai airport. You take the monorail from the airport to the city and then you need to switch train to Motomachi station.
Why everyone go there？點解佢哋全部喺嗰度？咁多人喺嗰度點解？
咩嘅？
嗰啲人冇錯。
They don't know, they didn't know. Andy, take a walk around 10 minutes, you will reach Kobe Plaza West Hotel inside the Motomachi shopping street. The hotel is also very near Kobe Chinatown, so there are plenty of shopping and food around the Kobe West Plaza Hotel. The hotel lobby is pretty huge and you can always leave your luggage here before check-in or after check-out. Now, let's check out the room. And this is where you put the key, all the lights. There's a power point there. This is to clean your shoe horn. And let's move to the standard bathroom. Here's the basin, soap. That's the standing shower and the bathtub, and of course toilet with bidet. All the buttons are here. And moving forward here, this is the I think it's a single bedroom that I ordered. Here are the remotes. Okay, here are the power points. This is where you can put your clothes. There's a flat screen TV over here. Nani? Okay, basically I have no idea what's this. This is the tissue. This could be a diffuser. This could be a diffuser. This is a mirror, the phone, kettle. Okay. There's a mini fridge over here. Window looking through the neighborhood. Okay, it's compact. This is a nice little sofa. You can actually play your phone or read your book. So basically this is a 4-star hotel in Kobe, and this is what you get. The breakfast is a la carte and it is really good. It is a typical Japanese breakfast with choices, and I love the food here. Kobe West Plaza Hotel is very convenient as it is located in the middle of the happenings in Motomachi, Kobe, and also walking distance to Chinatown as well as to the Motomachi train station. I really enjoy my chill time in Kobe as well as staying in Kobe West Plaza Hotel. Time to explore Kobe and stay in Kobe, and you won't regret it. It is definitely random videos. It is definitely calm and quiet than the busy Osaka city. If you have any questions, please do comment. If you like our content, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching everyone. Take care and enjoy Japan.